If you're in the market for a smaller keyboard, this one is really nice. I do love the back, and just the lighting on this is super cool. You can see how it just kind of reflects in and out. It is corded, so you do have a cord on this, but I just think it's super cool in the way it looks. I'm gonna show you just how it sounds typing. So it's like, what is that, ASMR? I think it's just really nice. I love a clicky keyboard. So yeah, and it's pretty small, as you can see here, but absolutely beautiful. I think it's super cool, and I love the clickiness of the keys.